Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give a full beginner-friendly guide to Zoho CRM. I will show you how to set up, how to use it, and everything you need to manage your business effectively. So let's jump right in. So first, we need to know what is Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is one of the many products Zoho offers for businesses. While it is not completely free, but there is like a 15-day free trial to get started. So if you don't have an account, then let's sign up together. So for that, you can use your Google account or your LinkedIn account. So I'm going to use my Google account. So I'm going to click my account that I want my Gmail to connect with. Now click on continue. So and enter the captcha. Now click on create account. And it will send an OTP to my email. So I'm going to verify it and come right back. Now click on verify. You can also create a new organization if you want to keep things separate. So after you log in, you need to set up your account by adding your company name, your phone number, and then the other details. Let's say my company name is Rihanna Corp, and I'm going to give a phone number. Then I'm going to give, like, I have 10 employees, and now I'm going to get started. If I scroll down, if I want, I can invite, or if you want, you can invite your team. You can configure your deals pipeline. You can connect it to your email account. You can also migrate your existing data, or you also do integration. Now, if you want to invite user, just select this button. Now, if you want, you can skip those steps for now. Now, let's talk about the lead section. So if I click on this lead, here, if you use this funnel icon, click on it, it will hide it for me. Now here you can see their lead name, your the company name, their email. If you scroll up a little bit, you will see their phone number, lead store, and even lead owner. So this is a sample that was created by Zoho for me. And if you want, you can also view it in Canva, create chart view, whatever you like. Now, if you want to create your own lead, just click on this and it will just create a lead for you. But if you have already lead, you can also import your lead right from here. Now let's move on to this contact section. So contacts are similar but represent the people that you are actively working with, either from the leads or other source. And here you can see it is kind of similar with the lead one. If you want, you can change the records from 10 records per pages to highest 50 records per pages. So, and now let's move on to this account. Now here account shows the company or organization that you manage. Now let's move on to this deal. So deals are your sales opportunity. Each deal moves through stages like qualification, then there is a need analysis, value proposition, then we got identity decision maker. We also have review or negotiation, close win, close lost, and so many options. So tasks allow you to manage your to-do list. You can create your tasks, you can assign them, you can also track the progress as well. So I find this quite helpful. Now let's move on to these meetings. And here you see the list of the meetings, your contact name, the host, and everything. And what meet and call section do is just help you to schedule and track the interactions with the lead and customer. So everything is in one place to keep your sales organized. Now, if I scroll down here, if I go to this inventory section and click on products, you will see you can create up products, or if you want, you can also import them from the CSV or XML files. And you can also manage the quotes, your sales order, your purchase orders, then the invoice and vendors cases as well. And as you can see, like Zoho CRM keeps everything connected so you can manage your sales and operation efficiently. So now if you want to set up your pipeline, you can also do that. Click on this configure your deals pipeline and then select this create pipeline option. Now for that you have to click this create new pipeline. Now if you want, you can name your pipeline. Let's say my one is about fashion, and if I want, I can also add stages. Let's say I want qualification of these 3 stages. Now if I want, I can set it as default, but I'm not going to, and then click on save. And you can also edit your pipeline anytime that you want. Now, once your pipeline is ready, where do you want to view it? So for that, select the symbol and then go to this deal section. You can view your pipeline in this deal section. Now you can also create deal. And now you have to fill in details like dealer name, the account name, the type, the amount, the closing date, the pipeline, so the pipeline that we have created, and the probability, and the everything. Just fill up that you know, and once you do that, just click on save options. So here everything is visible at a glance for easy tracking. So if you want, you can go to this product options, and here you can import the products from your file, which is the CSV or XLX, or you can do it from other CRMs as well. Now if you want, you can also create the product for yourself. So when you click on this create product, you can add the product code, product category like hardware, software, or any others. You can also give it and sales and date, stock information, and everything. So once you have done that, click on this save and it will create right in here. Now if you want, you can also integrate the Zoho one. For that, click on this Zoho All App and you will see the other packages recommended by Zoho. So I believe that if you have like Zoho one, you can install a CRM from right here. Once you add that, you will have all the same option as a standalone CRM. See, Zoho ones allow you to manage all the Zoho apps in one places, which is great for business using multiple tools. Now let's talk about Zoho CRM several plans. So I have already opened these pages, and here you can view them yearly. Like for standard, it's only cost $14. Professional is $23. Enterprise, which is the most popular one, it gives you like $40 per user per month, and there is unlimited, which is $52. Now if you scroll down, you can see they also have another plan, which is CRM for everyone, which costs $9 per team user per monthly bill annually. So I think Zoho one will be great. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to set up Zoho CRM. You can create the pipeline, you can manage deals, you can also add products, and you can also use Zoho one integration. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification, and I will see you in my next video.